Good morning, pregame crew. How are ya? It's Tuesday, April 16th, 2024, 6:24 a.m. Mountain Time, 8:24 a.m. Eastern Time. Good morning. Success is inevitable. I'm giggling over here because Cigna is one of my Queen of the Mountain trades. Great minds? I don't know. Hey, Shake and Bake. Perfect night truck. Thank you. Hey, Greg. Hey, Tom. Hector. K-Mac, my friend Rob, Sam, Tess, hey Mark, hey Paula, Jenny and Tuscany, oh my. I'm coming over, Jenny. Hey Mal, Omar, Casey, Ray, Hunter, good morning. Hey Wave. All right. CCJ. We'll get started officially in 5 minutes. We have data in 4.5 minutes, by the way. CCJ, we had a blow off top on Friday. 46.94 is the key daily support to keep the uptrend. This is a healthy chart. Otherwise, if we lose 46.94, then we have a problem. This is a very healthy chart. Yeah, we're gapping down. Four-hour downtrend. You're welcome, Sharon. Hey, Shambu, Gus, Marvin. Ahmad, Al, Rob. Again, I like this chart. But right here, right now, we've got some weakness on shorter term time frames. CI is on my list today. Gurn. Huh. This is often pumped and dumped, yeah. Potential hourly bear flag here doesn't look good. Does not look good. However, we are in a daily uptrend. Actually, we got a daily higher high, an unconfirmed uptrend, but we're holding the 12 EMA just fine. It's all about yesterday's support. We have data in just a bit. We have building permits, housing starts. The most important thing that we have today is Powell is speaking at 1:15 Eastern. Please mark that on your alarm, clock, calendar, whatever. It could and should cause volatility. I woke up to lots of red this morning, but I can say that things have slightly reversed. Not bigly. I hate that word. But they have reversed. Things are looking a little bit better. Hey, Ramon. Hey, Project KK. Okay, oil. Oil has a 4-hour downtrend. 4-hour lower high expected on the next bounce. Just taking a breather. Like I've said before, even prisoners get a break. Potential weekly bull flag on oil. Hey, Sir Fernando and Steven. I had not noticed this before. It's not a weekly cup and handle. It's not high enough on this side, but it has the psychology there for sure. So Israel should be coming out soon with their response to Iran, and that could move the markets as well, so be aware of that. Data in 8 seconds. Housing starts are down. Building permits less than expected. No big move on the market on that data. Let's get started. Hi, this is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community. We teach technical analysis, and what I do here every day is I go over the indices, commodities, crypto, movers, and shakers of the day. Again, Powell is speaking at 1:15 Eastern. I can't say that enough. I also go over this table. This table is definitely more bearish than bullish today. We're in reverse back burner mode. I have my Queen of the Mountain trades off screen. I'll copy those notes to TCG members when I'm done. All right, let's get started. Potential 4-hour bear flag on ES. On NASDAQ. RTY is so weak it can't even get the little dog leg bear flag going. Dow is bouncing a little bit more. Dow has a heavy weight of United Healthcare. CNBC said it's the heaviest weighted stock in the Dow. If I'm saying that wrong, you can correct me, but so United Healthcare beat, and so the Dow is green today. We've had a 50% retrace, so a higher low is possible. But ES and NASDAQ 4-hour lower highs. Let me go back to this screen. This is what I want to highlight right here. Reverse back burner day. Looking for 5 and 15 minute overbought conditions to short, I think is the way to go. Looking for these 4-hour lower highs. All right, go back to ES. We lost a daily 50 MA yesterday. On the next bounce, we're looking for a daily lower high. 4-hour lower high. Hourly EMAs are overhead. NASDAQ, same thing. 4-hour lower highs, daily lower highs, and we lost the 50 MA. RTY is weak. We'll see where we're open. We're pretty beat up on the 4-hour. The daily, this RSI will update when we open. So weak. And again, the Dow is strong due to United Healthcare beat. VIX is weak. Well, I say that, and it's red overnight, but it had a big day yesterday. $15-minute lower high anticipated on this bounce. Hang Seng was red overnight, big time red. DAX was red. We have Bitcoin red, but it's been getting a good little bounce here. We're still below that 12 EMA. Can't get past it. ETH below the EMAs. Yeah, Bitcoin looks sad below this daily 50 MA. Let's see, is it a bear flag on the 8-hour? No. Buenos dias, Jumbo Cat. Okay, dollar. Dollar has some strength this morning. It's giving it back on the next bounce. We're looking for an hourly lower high. That should be good for the markets. We'll see if this can collapse a little bit, and that should push the markets a bit. Gold, We had the blow off top last week. We're below the EMAs. 4 hour, we're looking for a higher low. So we'll see what gold can do with this, get that higher low and possibly get a higher high. The odds that they go take out Friday's high are pretty low. Oil, 4 hour higher low is possible. On the next bounce, we're looking for a 4 hour lower high. Weekly is still very healthy potential bull flag. We have API estimates after hours today at 4:30. We have inventory tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern. Nat gas is slightly green. Potential 8 hour bear flag. I guess I'm going to die on this hill. Reverse back burner on nat gas until it stops working. Let's see, did it work yesterday? We didn't get 15-minute overbought. We got 5-minute overbought. That worked. Good morning, Crypto Baron. Hey, Hector. Dollar Tree. Lasmar Luciano. Diego. Good morning. Apple is reversing this gap down. So earlier this morning, it was a gap down. It's trying to get its life together. We have enough room for a daily higher low relative to 167.11, rejecting from the daily 50 MA. This still could be an hourly bear flag, so be careful. A 4 hour lower high is the more likely scenario compared to yesterday's high. Amazon has a daily uptrend. We reversed this gap down, which is good, 182.67, 183. So we have a daily double bottom on Amazon. Potential 4 hour bear flag. EMAs are overhead. Nvidia. If you could hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Nvidia daily inside bar broke bear. A daily higher low is anticipated compared to 8:30.22, barring any news. Potential 4 hour bear flag, but I do like this daily chart for potential daily higher low, looking for that 2 week bull flag. Such a pretty bull flag. Look at the declining bear volume here. Tesla, Walmart fall apart, gapping down. Reverse back burner the crap out of it till it stops working. Let's see, did it work yesterday? We didn't even get 5-minute overbought. It was so weak. So 5-minute or 15-minute overbought conditions are for shorting until the bulls prove otherwise. Tesla is completely controlled by the bears. ARC, I like for reverse back burner. Super weak, big dump day. Down 4.5%. I like bounces for shorting. CI is green because of United Healthcare's beat. Excuse me. Potential weekly bull flag. We're approaching the daily 50 MA. Gap rules apply. And what I mean by that is, if we pull back to yesterday's high and hold it as support, that is a long signal. CI is strong this morning, getting some sympathy with United Healthcare. Coin. Five and 15-minute overbought conditions. I'm keeping this on reverse back burner watch. Let me set my alert. Super weak. The halving is coming up soon, the Bitcoin halving, and that should and could impact the miners. FYI. Google, at the moment, trying for a daily double bottom, 154.68, 154.59. I like Google for a potential long as we hold yesterday's low, 154.59. And United Healthcare, I love this move, and I'm having it on back burner watch. We may not get the back burner today. It may be tomorrow, but I do want to remind you what happened with GS yesterday. They beat, gapped up, and gave it almost all of it back. Well, not all of it, but close. So UNH is very strong this morning. I like it for a back burner watch. Gapping down, PLTR. We lost the support of 2201. We're still holding 2172, 2183. Looking for 4-hour lower highs on a bounce and hourly lower highs compared to yesterday's high. Super weak. If you're in a short, there's no reason to get out until these EMAs are breached. SMH. SMH is slightly green this morning. We're still looking for a lower high compared to yesterday's high. Daily, we're approaching the 50 MA here at 215.42. Still looks like a two-week bull flag, just like Nvidia looks. Intel was strong yesterday and it's green this morning. I was looking at it for a potential Queen of the Mountain trade and I bypassed it, but because I don't have any most likely scenario here. Well, monthly higher low, I have that. Monthly higher low is a more likely scenario. Daily got oversold. And AMD had 2 upgrades this morning. They're green. Can I look at CC? Chimures or cocoa? I'm assuming cocoa is all-time high. Chocolate is where it's at. We hit a new all-time high yesterday, potential 4-hour bull flag. SPX. Potential 4-hour bear flag. Conservative, excuse me, let me say that differently. Aggressive bulls are looking to buy dips for potential weekly higher lows. Conservative bears are waiting for bounces to short, which is where I feel more comfortable looking for the bounces to short. We're really coming in here on VIX and the market's bouncing good. Did I miss any tickers? Coke. Okay, then I got it right. That's what I thought. Hershey's getting beat down on this cocoa move. Potential for a weekly higher low relative to 181.16. You're welcome, J Mac. Sound had a lot of volume this morning. It's gapping down. This is so weak. KAVL was yesterday's runner. This could be a back burner watch. High risk. I'm just looking at the other screens. Bitcoin is bouncing a bit. You. Of course. Daily downtrend on UUU. Weekly high or low possible compared to 578. We're holding the 200 MA for now on the weekly. Earnings May 9th. Daily downtrend. Yeah, this is weak. We'll see if this weekly support holds of 578. Interesting success. That's a great thesis. Success says, my opinion, if healthcare is strong, might look to short tech. That's not a bad idea for that rotation. Microsoft. We haven't lost a daily 50 MA and we are in a weekly uptrend. And a potential 2-week bull flag. Microsoft doesn't look terrible on larger time frames, but on shorter term time frames, it looks awful. We're looking for lower highs compared to yesterday's high. Plug is a name I've been watching, and it continues just to go to lower lows. Looking for some type of capitulation bottom. All right. Well, I think that's it for me. I'm going to go get the live stream started for the chat room. Thank you for being here. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. Give me a follow on X at ChartGalLori, and TCG members, I'll get these notes out to you in just a second, and I'll see you in 13 minutes. Use stop losses.